Here we have a Volkswagen Touareg. It's a 3-litre TSI 4Motion Black Edition, 340 PS. Now the car is spectacular, and of course it has the spec to match, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, park assist with an area view, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, hill descent control, along with these 21-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. Now the boot, it just pops open and it's humongous and very spacious indeed. The interior has a wireless smartphone charger, Volkswagen media control and a panoramic sunroof. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.